Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Deeya, and on this channel I do and talk everything beauty related, and if that's what you like, then definitely hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my very mini skincare routine. Now when I say mini, I mean exactly what I say, if that makes sense, because we are basically using just 2 products. In fact, let's make that 3 because we're using water too, yeah, water is good for the skin. So for my mini skincare routine, I use 2 products, as I said, a black soap and some face oils, and I'll be showing them to you guys really soon. The black soap I use is the Dudu Osun black soap. Yes, it's pronounced Osun, apparently, I don't know. And the face oil I use, I believe, is from Hemani, right? Yes, I actually have 2 of those oils. I have the vitamin E oil and I have the saffron oil, and I'll be explaining to you guys why I have these 2. If you want to see how this video goes, then definitely stick around, keep watching. Hopefully we learn a lot today. The Dudu Osun black soap is actually a Nigerian brand, and the ingredients they use for the soap are all natural. We have shea butter, lime, pure honey, palm kernel oil, Osun, aloe vera, and so on and so forth. These ingredients are written on the packaging, and on the packaging also they say that it nourishes the skin, it cleanses, protects, and refreshes your skin. How I use it: then the first thing I do is I wet the soap. I have wet the soap now, and I'm just rubbing it on my hand. I'm going to rub it on both of my hands like this. Okay, the soap lathers very easily, so a little goes a long way. I'll be showing you guys really soon. I could apply this directly on your face like this, especially on maybe the areas where you have acne, or the problem area. Just apply there, or you can just apply with your hands. And so after I have applied it on my face, I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I will take it off. Now, one thing about this soap is that it can be very, I wouldn't say harsh on the skin, but it can be very hard, in a sense that if you leave it on for too long, you would feel some bends as you are taking it off or something. So do not leave it on for too long. 5 minutes and that's enough. Just wash it off. You can do this like in the morning when you wake up, or when you're about to go and bath, or maybe when you're about to go to bed, then you do that. Yes, but don't put it on and sleep with it throughout the night, because it's one of the things you will notice about the soap is as it dries down, you can feel your face becomes stiff, becomes dried, like you can feel it on your face. But when it gets totally dried after 5 minutes, that is when you wash it off, right? So we're waiting for 5 minutes. Okay, so I am back from washing the soap off my face. I wish I could show you guys the washing off process, but I haven't figured out a setup for my bathroom. So yeah, what I do is that I like to wait. After I wash it off, I like to wait for the water on my face to dry on its own before I go in with the oil. Now, before I started using this soap, I actually looked for some reviews on YouTube, and I came across this video where the girl was complaining that she didn't like the soap because it drains the moisture, completely drains the moisture out of your face, which is true. The black soap can have that kind of effect on your face. That is why for me, I use it with the face oil. So I recommend that when you're using the soap, you should get some kind of serum or just any face oil at all. Just use it. But for now, these are the 2 that I use. I use them interchangeably. I usually go for this during the daytime because it's more oily. I don't know if that makes sense. But during the nighttime, I go in with this. Now this is also an oil, however it feels more like water-based than oil. It's more watery than oily, but immediately you apply it on the face, the skin absorbs it fast, and I really like that. I can feel my face drying down, and since this is a daytime, I'm gonna be using the vitamin E oil. What I do is I take some on the lid, like I just pour some. So I pick a little and I start from here. Sometimes before I wash the soap off my face, I use this face brush. I think my battery doesn't work. Okay, yes, I just switch it on like this. This is low, this is high. Okay, and then I use like circular motions to, you know, massage the soap around my face. This I use some, not all the time. You can also use your fingers. Yes, so just use your fingers and apply the soap in for like 1 to 2 minutes, then you know, wash it off. So I believe everyone should try the skincare routine because it is so affordable. The oils I got from Quality First, 10 cedi 50 pesos, I'm sure. Yes, so I do know someone who sells some. She sells one for 10 cedis, I believe. So basically you'll be spending just 20 cedis for your skincare routine, and trust me, you're not throwing your money away. This is super effective. So if you can give it a try, just try it out, see how it works for you. And one thing you should remember is that you are probably not going to see results immediately. You have to be patient, you have to be consistent before you start seeing results. Now, like in my experience, I stopped using the soap for I believe 2 or 3 weeks, and then I realized my dark spots were more pronounced, my acne was just showing up anyhow. Goodness. But then when I started using the soap again, I could feel my skin tightening up again, and I really liked that. That's what I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video you would get an alert. Yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.